Henry Ford was the founder of the Ford Motor Company, and if we count his net worth in today's money, he would be worth $188 billion. Henry Ford strongly believed in a life full of hard work and not a life of ease. There's an interesting story from his days when Ford Motor Company was already a profitable and prosperous company at that time, and Ford was making around 100 cars a day. Henry Ford then announced that he planned to make 1,000 cars a day. Now, some of the stockholders of his company were alarmed and shocked. They were happy and satisfied with the profits Ford was making, and they did not want to see the company go through the pains of growing and adopting new technology to get to 1,000 cars per day. They thought Henry Ford was going to ruin the company by trying to increase production, and they even threatened him with lawsuits. Henry Ford said, "The end of money is not ease. Instead, it should be used to perform more service." He believed in working hard for the sake of building something great rather than for the sake of making money so that you can retire and live a life of ease. He goes on to say, "Nothing is more abhorrent than a life of ease. None of us has any right to ease. There is no place in civilization for the idler." He strongly believed that if you focus on doing great work and providing great service, you will have more money than you can ever spend. He hated the idea that some people just wanted to get to a life of ease. "Life is not a battle that should be ended as soon as possible," he said.